Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn like what is graphical scale or bar scale and how to make this. Okay, let's check it out here. So graphical scale, it is the second type of scale which shows map distances and the corresponding ground distances using a line bar with primary and secondary divisions marked on it. It means like we have discussed before, RF statement, RF scale, that is a representative fraction. There both the sides, like left hand side and right hand side, both the sides we used to keep same unit. But here what we should do is, here we divide the line into two groups. So one is a primary division, one is secondary, and in primary division we show the major unit, and in secondary we show the minor unit. So it is referred to as the graphical scale or bar scale. Now when you change, like if we are dealing with statement scale, for example, okay, right here. For example, in statement scale, if we writing, if our scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Okay, sorry, it's 10 kilometer. It means if there are two places, point A and point B, so it shows like the distance between these 2 points, point A and point B, on the ground. On the ground it is 10 kilometer, and on map we are showing with the help of 1 centimeter. Okay, sorry, we are showing with the help of 1 centimeter. So this is a statement scale where we can write, like, see, left hand side we have the unit is centimeter, on right hand side we have unit in kilometer. But in case of RF, when we study RF, we can't do like this. In case of RF, both are like R, F, we call it representative fraction. It's R, and F. It is called, known as a representative fraction. So in this type of scale, left hand side and right hand side, both the sides, unit should be units should be same. It means if left hand side we have unit in centimeter, so right hand side also should be centimeter. For example, the way we have written upside, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. If we have to write this in representative fraction mode, then we'll write 1 ratio. We know in 1 lakh kilometer there are, sorry, in 1 kilometer there are 1 lakh centimeter. It means 10 kilometers should be 10 lakh centimeter. Okay, so this is the way we represent. Okay, this is RF. If we have to write in statement, then we'll write down simply 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. So this is a quick review about the topics which we have read previously. And today we are going to study the bar graph or bar scale. So though we have done the quick review, like this is a scale where we make graph using two types of uh, measurements or divisions. In one side we do see, you could see this here, one side we have shown kilometer and its minor unit is meter. Okay, so let's learn how to make this. So to make this, like we have to check the question, what is given in question. So normally you'll get like show the units or show the distances in kilometer and meter. And if we are getting this, what we have to do is first we will just draw a line. In case of kilometer and meter, okay, later on we'll solve the questions, then it will be more clear. So here I'm just giving an example how to make. So in terms of kilometer and meter, we have to make a line of 15 centimeter. This is universal. Like when you show miles and furlongs, then we'll draw a line of 6 inches, because if like you can check in scale, 6 inches is equal to 15 centimeter only. So anyhow we have to draw the line of 15 centimeter. It may change according to question. So right now I'm just giving example roughly. Okay, so this is 15 centimeter. Now what we have to do is both the side, this left hand side and right hand side, we need to increase this just zero point 0.5. Please make sure we have to increase this just for zero point 0.5 centimeter. You can check your scale, only 0.5 centimeter. Now if given in question, like we have to divide in 5 sections, since this line is of 15 centimeter, so we can just divide this in 3 centimeters. Okay, so okay, first join these two lines, these two corners. Please make sure the length of the scale is depends upon the question, but the width is always 0.5 centimeter. Moreover, we have to divide this 0.5 again into two parts, so it will be 0.25 like this. Okay, it's done. Now to this 15 centimeter, I have not used the scale, I'm just doing randomly. We need to divide equally. So 15 centimeter, I could divide into 5 parts using 3 centimeter. So let's do it. 1. Might be here, it won't be accurately since I'm not using scale. This is 2. Okay. Yes, I'm also using this tool very first time for this kind of graph, so little difficult for me also. This is the third line and fourth line and fifth line. We have already see. I'm not too accurate in this, so when you make in a copy, obviously we'll use scale, so it will be accurate. So make sure these differences should be equal, or I'll just try to make it equal again. Okay, I guess this is quite equal. Okay, now what you have to do is, now it's the time to write. Okay, so what we should write is, these are the 5 1 2 3 4 5 division we have done. Now this first one division, from here we'll write 0. Why 0? Because this side, left hand side, we are going to um, left hand side we are going to do secondary division, second divisions, and here we are going to do primary divisions. Okay, this is my 0, so this will indicate 0. Now after 0, since we have to show, let's think this time, we are showing only 5 kilometers. So this 15 centimeter line is representing 5 kilometer. So this is 0. So this will be 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and 4 kilometer. And next fifth kilometer is here. So this was 0. Then here it is 1 kilometer. Will not write unit now. This is 2 kilometer, then 3 kilometer, and this is the 4th kilometer. So we'll write a unit at last, kilometer. Okay, it's done. Now let me arrange this. So this is okay with this line. Now this one, this line. Now okay, it has come here. So okay, so these are 4 kilometers now we have shown. Now to this small division, since from this to this line all are equal divided. Now if from here to here, if it is 1 kilometer, obviously this portion is also 1 kilometer, and we know like there are in 1 kilometer we have got 1000 meters. It means here to this number, to this kilometer, we have to show with this part only, with this division only, we have to show 1000 meter. So what we can do is, for example, might be this, yeah, this line is 3 centimeter. So the simplest way is, you can just divide this line into two portions, and you can write here 500 centimeter, 500, and here directly 1000. But please, it's better do little more division, it doesn't look good. Though like if you do like this, nobody can make you wrong, but it's better to do at least 4 to 5 divisions. Okay, now let's come to here. If we are dividing this 1000 into 4 divisions, okay, 1000 uh, divide by 4. So our answer will be, obviously it will be 2. So our answer will be 250. It means one line will represent 250. So let's do, or if we divide 1000 by 5, in that case one line will represent 200. So it's on us, like you want to divide this column into 5. Okay, let's check out with both the examples. Okay, so firstly, I'm showing you with 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now here it means this line is representing 250, then this is 500, then this is 750, and this is 1000. That's right. Okay, I'll rub it again. So first, this last one line is representing 1000 meter. Okay, as we told, here we have to show this how many kilometers. Since here to here it's 1 kilometer, so here also we have to show 1 kilometer. So it is representing 1000 meter. Now, next, okay, let's put it here properly. Okay, this line is representing 1000 meter. Now, next, we have this line. It's not compulsory to write the names of all the like all the lines, because the line will be congested. So you can just show some lines. Okay, if this is 0, and this will be, since I have divided before, so this line will be 250, and this line will be 500. So if it is possible, okay, I'll write somewhere out and I'll show with the help of arrow. So this will be 500. Okay, I'll write here, though it's not compulsory, even better not to write. Next it will be 750, because there is a gap of 250. So it means the name of this line, okay, I'll show with the help of arrow. Name of this line is 500, and name of this line, we have, okay, we have arrow also, and name of this line is 750, and name of this line is 1000. Okay, this is when we do this one. Okay, please make sure if we are showing this one, if we are using, okay, it's coming arrow again. I need simple line. Okay, if we are using, sorry, if we are using this scale, if we are showing 1000 into 4 divisions, in that case one line will represent a 500, 250, then 500, then 70, then 1000. This is one of the way. Now if we are showing, if we are dividing this line into 5 parts, so let's check it out that also. Okay, there's my eraser. It's okay, this is done. Okay. Okay. Now let's check it out with that also. Now, as I told, last one would be 1000 only, because in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. Okay, I need to rub these lines also, which I forgot. Rub this line, because now we have to divide into 5 lines. Okay. So here's my line. Now I'll make 5 lines. 1, not quite straight. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, it's not touching the line. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, 3. These are not equal. Please make sure you have to make equal. So you can calculate with the help of scale. Like if we have a line of 3 centimeter, so 3 centimeter means 30 millimeter. How we are going to convert the 30 millimeter into 5? It means 30 divided by 5. 5 threes are so 3 millimeter for each line. So please do the calculation. Hope at least we are capable to do that much calculation answer. So it should be equal and straight line with the help of scale. So this is my third line and this is my fourth line. Okay, it's done. Now, so name of the last one line would be, as I told before also, 1000 meter. Then this line is 0 and this line will represent, since we are dividing into 5 sections, 200. The next line will represent 400. The next line will represent uh, again add to 600. Then again next line will represent 800. So it's not possible, the area is so small, so it's not possible to show all the divisions. So we will see, you can see the example, they have not written all. So for making you clear, I have written here, otherwise it's not possible, like it's not compulsory to write all name of all the lines. Okay, so I'll just let's separate these lines and I'll show again with the help of arrows. Okay, let's put this one here only. This I'll take little here and this one here. Okay, now let's again use our tool, the arrow, or let's use this. Okay. So this is 0, this is representing the 0 unit, this line is representing 200, this line is representing 400, this is representing 600, and this line is for 800. Okay, so no need to show all the lines, you can just show 400 and exactly 1000 meter at last. So this is the way we can make a bar graph. The last work is we need to fill the color. Okay, so for filling color, I do not know what we have to use. I guess exactly I do not have accurate idea how can we fill the color. So I'll just try. So what you should do is do like this, like one box do shading up, the next shading down in the same way. So we do not use any pen or color for this. Please use only pencil and do the shading nicely. Okay, so this is the way we make our graphical scale. So please do this in the same way. Since I'm not perfect in using this pencil, so my diagram is not it's not looking too accurate. So this video I made just to make you clear, like this is the method by which we can make bar graph or graphical scale. Okay, so please do shading this nicely. And this is okay. Now my diagram is complete. So this is the way, please do it shading. So one, you can start from anywhere, like in I did from here, you can start from down. So anyhow, just alternate up, down, you can do this. Okay, so with this our topic is over for today. So next topic we'll practice some more questions on how to convert one type of scale into another. Thank you so much.